to the Financial Literacy Month series with your FS Matrix Navigators. I'm Maria Mejia.
And I'm Alicia Pradum. Another week, another dollar. Welcome to week 3 of Financial Literacy Month. This week's theme is what to do in a financial emergency. So when dealing with exceptional circumstances, get the right information and advice to help you make the best decisions for your financial circumstances. Today, we will go over an article from the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada called How to Get Through a Financial Emergency. Financial emergencies may happen to anyone at any time. They may be a result of family illness, job loss, urgent home repairs, or a natural disaster, just to name a few. Whatever the source, financial emergencies can be stressful for you and your family.
Emotional situations can lead to poor financial decisions, so be sure to get help when you need during an emergency. So take time to get the right information and advice to help you make the best decisions for your needs. So if you're having financial issues, try the following tips to help improve your situation. So the first tip is to, contact your financial institution. So you may have questions or concerns about the impact of a difficult situation or time on your financial products. Your financial institution might be able to help you. So contact them and find out, what different options they might have available for you.
Yeah, and some of those options are going to be listed below. So one of those options that you may be able to discuss with your financial institution is considering a mortgage deferral. Financial institutions may allow mortgage deferrals on a case-by-case basis. Now keep in mind, deferring payments on your mortgage should not negatively affect your credit score. If you do decide to go with this route, make sure to review your credit report after you've had the mortgage deferral. Make sure the deferral approved by your financial institution has been properly recorded to the credit bureaus. Just remember, it could take up to 45 days for this information to appear on your credit report.
Something else you might request is a mortgage relief option. So if you're experiencing, financial stress due to an exceptional circumstance, consider this option. Well, you should be reading your mortgage contract and then you speak to that financial institution about your options. The FCAC expects financial institutions to offer relief measures that are appropriate for you. You may be eligible for one or a combination of different options that they offer. The earlier they are able to understand your situation, the more options that will be available to you. Now, keep in mind that if you make changes to your mortgage contract, you may have to pay a fee.
Another option that you may have to consider is a payment holiday on your credit card. So your credit card issuer may offer you a payment holiday. This means that they will let you skip a payment. However, you will still pay interest. So that doesn't get deferred, but it does not negatively affect your credit score as a missed payment. So that can be really helpful if you're having a really tight month and you know that next month is going to be better. This may be something you can consider.
Something else you can consider is to ask to lower your credit card interest rate. Your financial institution may be able to temporarily reduce your interest rate on your credit card. Now, the terms and conditions may vary depending on the financial institution, so contact them to see if this option is available. Now, if you have a low credit score and you're frequent on missing payments, this might not be an option for you. But if you have a relatively healthy credit score and credit history, this is definitely a great option to consider.
So the most important thing to take from what we're talking about today is to get help. Seek advice from reliable and trusted resources to explore your financial options. Contact a financial professional, such as a licensed financial advisor or an accredited credit counselor, to discuss a plan. Now, do be cautious when searching for the right professional to help you. Some companies offering to help pay off your debt or fix bad credit may be providing misleading information. So definitely do your research and make sure that they are a trusted source. So these are all some tips on how to deal with a potential financial emergency. To learn more about how to manage your debt and how to get help, uh, you can go to canada.ca/money. If you would like to discuss in more detail how these strategies would work for you, reach out to us on social media at your FS Matrix.
Or you can email me at maria@yourfsmatrix.com.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful day.